All right. Hey, you see that ship? Here, let's touch tips. I spin around. Chicken wing. I scream.
Run it on.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another Stunt Lot Seat Time. So how'd you guys like that Hawaiian shirt ride? Kind of crazy. Good turnout. We got another one, July 5th, America Grom ride out. Craziness. I'm gonna warm up a little bit, get loose. Hopefully we can try to do some second gear one-handers. Whoa, geez. That's not it. I'm all pumped up from that ride. Still holding! Shout out to OC Goonies sending us in some Florida Grom Squad Goonies attire. I spin around, trying to show off these shirts. Look at them. Slower. Slower. Yeah. Arch your back. No, arch your back. Yeah. He did it. Rich and Doug, I appreciate you guys. OC Goonies, all the Goonies chappers, I love you guys. It's been probably about a month since I've been at this lot. I don't remember having these little bumps. Can you guys see it? Like right here is a little lip. Bloop, lip. And goes like this. I'm gonna try to just focus on one stunt today, and it is the one-handers and the foot brake all the way back. Woo! I just want to do the whole chicken wing thing when I get there. That's the whole reason of this series, is just put in seat time. And I know it's a little boring compared to the other stuff, the big group rides, but I knew you were the in a relationship. This is what it takes to go on those big rides and kind of look cool during the week, is to practice at the lot, and when the weekend hits, we hit the streets with the one hand. Oh, you know what I'm saying. Now spin.
What am I, your fucking model?
All right, one-handers. There we go. There we go.
Right where you hit the brake, you could have rode that a little bit.
That last one?
Yeah. That last time when you hit the brake, you overcompensated. That's what brought you down. But if you were like about half of that pressure you put on the brake, it would have stopped just a little bit, but you would have rested in that safe spot.
So that spot where I hit the brake, I'm safe.
You're safe.
Like,
you actually got way more room. You got another 3 or 4 inches before you're like, oh fuck.
I feel like I'm going over, but it goes back to when I first learned wheelies. This video with Wally, I thought I was in the air. I thought I was in outer space, I told Wally. All right, let me see those two. I want to see how high those were, because I feel like I'm in outer space. Nope. Not even close.
Not even close.
Because it just feels like you're so high, but like James just said, I mean, you see guys, how he scrapes and whatnot. Oh! Damn, I mean, I'm nowhere near that. All right, I'm gonna continue one hand wheelie practice like this. Look at that, I'm chasing out. Shut up, I don't want to talk about YouTube. I'm gonna get there. I do feel more confident with this foot brake. I'm not even touching my handbrake anymore. This is great. Let's get Hector on the Discord. Hector!
Hello.
Let's chat. Hey, watch, I'm not even covering the handbrake anymore. It's all foot brake. Look at that, all the way back.
Oh yeah, you got it. You got it. Oh, you got this. Oh,
Oh yeah, one-hander. Back to the clutch. Look, I point, boom, boom. All foot brake, baby. It's pretty impressive, right? Look at that, all the way back.
Yeah.
I can slow it down. You want to see me slow it down?
Let's go. Oh shit. Okay.
Wait. I'm not slow yet. Oh, come on. All the way back. Woo!
Let's go. Okay, you mastered already.
I got it.
What made you do it today?
I put on music. Can you hear it? Could you hear that?
I hear that now.
Let's go, baby. Hey, let's touch tips. I think I'm gonna get a shift here, boys. Woo! Shit, that was a handbrake save. Oh my god. I put a foot down. Damn, I was way too high in RPMs for that one. Woo! That was scary. Alright, let's try that again. Nope. Too fast. I think I get it. I gotta find the right groove. That wasn't it. That was almost it. Hey, watch. I might loop this out. It's neutral. Oh, I hit neutral. Shifting sucks. I get it. I just want to be on the bottom end of it so I don't fucking straight loop it out. Ah! I got it! Haha, bitch! All foot brake, chicken wing back! Persistence, baby! That was smooth. Oh. No thirds. Stunt Lot Seat Time. Damn. I scraped! I scraped! I scraped! I scraped!
Did that on purpose or accident?
That was accident.
Yo, that shit's great.
Well, that was a good save, huh?
What, you use the handbrake?
Yeah, of course I used the handbrake.
I was using footbrake the whole time.
I was using the foot brake on the front when I shifted, and then I was like, oh god, we're going all the way back. It kicked me. Alright.
But that was a perfect scrape. It went, it tracked, and you came back down.
Yeah, I was like, wait a minute, this is where I'm normally on the ground. Lewis, get on my level, bro. Look at that. Watch out, group rides.
It looked like you did it on purpose.
Did it?
But the only thing that gave it off,
My feet.
your leg was out.
Yeah, oh yeah, I thought I was going down.
If your leg wasn't out, bro, it would look like you did it on purpose all the way.
Yeah, we'll just Photoshop that out of your mind. Alright. Pretty good little session.
Connected.